Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. The channel where we celebrate the timeless beauty, fierce confidence, and authentic style of mature women who continue to inspiring at every age. Before we dive into today's story, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a story that honors strong, stylish women from around the world. Behind every model, there is a more than just a perfect image. There is a decline, long days, and a lifestyle that most people never see. This is not just about beauty, it's about consistency, confidence, and hard work. Modeling is not only about the spotlight, it's early mornings, preparation, and the staying focused every single day. What you see is the result, but the real story is the process behind it. Every model has a different journey, different struggles, different routines, different goals. But one thing stays the same, the mindset to keep going no matter what. Thank you for your watching. If you enjoyed discovering inspiring mature models who celebrate Milan fashion with elegance and self-assurance, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe in my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Thank you and goodbye. Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. From timeless elegance of women 40 plus, 50 plus, and 60 plus to the bold beauty of plus-size icons and the charm of young fashion model, this channel is a tribute of femininity, power, style, and allure. Discover beauty without limits. Thank you so much for joining us today in my channel. We're really glad to have you with us and hope that our content has brought you inspiration and positivity. Take care of yourself, stay confident, and keep moving forward with confidence and joy. We look forward seeing you in next video where we'll continue sharing beauty and the exciting movements. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you and goodbye.